Hi guys, this video is about the CoderZ League missions, specifically the Farm Fever. We'll solve the first few missions together, and hopefully that will help you in scoring some points in the CoderZ League. So to find the CoderZ League missions, make sure once you're in CoderZ, you click on Leagues on your sidebar here. And these missions, we'll solve the first few missions in Farm Fever. So let's go ahead. You can watch the instructional video, but I'm going to jump right into mission 1. The missions in Farm Fever have you collecting all the fruit and then getting to the finish line. There's no time limit, so that's really nice. Okay, the first mission has 3 blocks already laid out for you. It has a drive forward block at 100 power. Has a wait for 2000 milliseconds block, and then it has a drive forward at 0 power. So let's see what this program does if we run it. So you can see it stops right here before the end of the fruit line, and then it does not go backwards. So we need to do a couple things. We need to make it go forward more, and then we need to make it go backwards. I'm going to reset the simulation. To make it go forward for farther, we want it to go all the way to the line of fruit here. That means we need to wait for more than 2000 milliseconds. So I'm going to try waiting for 3000 milliseconds. And let's see if that gets all the way to the end of the fruit. Perfect, so that goes plenty far enough. Now the problem is he does not go backwards right now. Right now he's just stopping at that point, and that's because he has a 0 power block on his drive right there. So we want him to go backwards, so I'm going to change forward to backwards, and the power needs to be more than 0, so I'm going to just say power 100. So let's see if that does what we need it to do. We should go all the way forward here still, collect all the fruit, and then he should go backwards. Nice job. Okay. Mission 1 down the hatch. Let's do the next mission. This one's called Parking Right. So in this mission, he needs to go forward to right here, turn right, and then go down to the target. So these blocks have already been laid out for you. Looks like we got a drive forward block for 3000 milliseconds, and then a steering block for 1750 milliseconds, and then drive forward. So let's see what that does. Okay, it looks like he didn't go far enough. The right turn looks good, but then he runs into the wall, which is not good. So he needs to go for more than 3000 milliseconds. Let's try 4000 milliseconds. That looks perfect. Look at that. So just one simple change on that one gets us full points. Change 3000 to 4000. That wait for block makes him drive forward for 4 seconds, or 4000 milliseconds. Okay, let's look at mission 3. These are going fast. Okay, mission 3 is called Left Curve Turn. Looks like we need to follow the fruit line path and an arcing path to the finish line. So they give you this block already. It says drive power 100, forward, steering 100. So if you run that block, he's just going to spin crazy in a circle, which is not what we want. So let's reset the simulation. And he was spinning to the right. So think about, how do we make a robot spin to the left? If you look in the steering block here, right now you'll notice it's positive 100. To make a robot spin to the left, we need to do negative numbers. And negative 100 is too much. So let's try negative 10. Okay, so he's spinning to the left, which is good, but notice he's spinning a little too sharply still. So instead of negative 10, I need a smaller number. Let's try negative 5 on the steering. So he should still turn to the left, and hopefully he follows this fruit line, which he does perfectly. Easy peasy. Just one number change the steering to a negative 5. Okay, hopefully those 3 missions will get you started. We'll do a few more in class, so make sure you attend, and I'll see you around.